So I replaced my water heater element today. I noticed on the last trip I could hear it singing, and that usually happens when the element starts getting coated with deposits. You can see this is the old one I pulled out. Got it sitting in a container full of water, and we're going to turn it on and see what happens. Okay, it's on. And right away you'll see, start seeing bubbling. So let's let it warm up and see what it does. Okay, it's been running for about a minute or so. It's really bubbling away. You can hear it. So it's like a sizzling sound. That's what happens when it gets those deposits on it. So I put a new one in, and this one is 4.5 years old. It's out of my 2018 trailer. So it's had a good life, and time for a new one.